Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2014 Chevy Traverse and I will show you which fuses to check in case your blower motor is not working. So that means if there is no air being blown from the vents, no matter which speed you select. If fans work only at a specific speed setting, then most likely you're dealing with a failed blower motor resistor. But if the blower motor is not working at all, then the first thing to check is the blower motor fuses. And if those are good, then you want to check the blower motor itself. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, now the first fuse to check is located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood on the passenger side, right here. Now, to remove this cover, you will have a couple of black tabs, one here on the top, and one on the left side. So what you want to do, you want to press onto these tabs and lift up. Okay, and once you have this cover off, on the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. And right here, access to all of the fuses. This white piece, this is the fuse puller you can use to remove and check the fuses. Okay, and the fuse you want to check here will be this 40 amp fuse located right here, and you want to check it if the blower motor is not working at all. And like I said, I will repeat it again. If your fans work only on a specific speed setting, then you're dealing with failed blower motor resistor. Okay, now the second fuse worth checking will be in the passenger's cabin under the glove box. There's like a small black cover right here. I will turn the flash actually on my phone so you can see it a bit better. I want to pull this cover down. There's like a small opening here. You just want to kind of pull it down all the way, and here you will have access to all of the fuses. Okay, right here. Okay, and the fuse you want to check here will be this 15 amp blue fuse on the left side, so fourth from the bottom. I will zoom in as well to help you out. So this is the one. Okay, this blue fuse up here. If you checked both of these fuses and your blower motor is still not working, then you want to look at the blower motor. First you want to check the wiring towards it. You want to test if the power is coming to the blower motor. If it is, then most likely the blower motor itself failed, which is quite common on most of the vehicles. And if the power is not coming to it, then you have a wiring issue. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.